In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution in Handbrake easily. To get started, you'll first want to make sure you have Handbrake installed on your device. If not, simply download and install it from their official website, which is straightforward and quick to do. Once Handbrake is up and running, you have a couple of ways to import your video file. You can either drag and drop the video directly into the Handbrake interface, which is quick and convenient, especially if your files are easily accessible on your desktop or File Explorer. Alternatively, you can use the open source button located at the top of the interface to browse your files and select the video you want to work on. This method might be better if you need to navigate through several folders to find your file. After your video is loaded, turn your attention to the presets menu on the right side of the screen. This menu offers a variety of preset configurations optimized for different devices. Selecting a preset can save you time and ensure compatibility with your target device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet or smart TV. With the preset selected, click on the Dimensions tab. Here is where you'll adjust your video resolution and scaling settings. This area allows you to set a resolution limit, which will prevent your output video from surpassing a specified resolution. This is particularly useful if you're optimizing video files for older devices or meeting certain file size constraints. If you wish to allow upscaling, which means increasing the resolution beyond that of the original file, select None for the resolution limit and make sure to check the Allow Upscaling box. This can come in handy if you're preparing the video for a larger screen where higher resolution can enhance the viewing experience. Next, enter your desired width and height in the scaled size fields. If you're unsure, you can maintain the video's aspect ratio by checking Automatic under Final Dimensions. Keeping the aspect ratio ensures that your video won't look stretched or squished, preserving the original proportions of the content. Now that you've configured your settings to your liking, it's time for the last step. By clicking the Start Encode button, you initiate the encoding process. This is where Handbrake does its magic, transforming your video to meet the new specifications you've set. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to change your video's resolution using Handbrake. With these steps, you can ensure your videos are perfectly tailored for their intended platform or device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your video editing journey a little easier.